Alright guys, we're on a mission today. We're heading up to SM San Fernando. We're going to go to a place called Zark's. Supposedly they got some good burgers there. That's one thing here in the Philippines, to find a good hamburger is hard to come by. So according to what I've read and according to people, they said Zark's up in SM San Fernando in the mall, they have good hamburgers. So that's our mission and that's our goal today.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We have arrived. Tell you what, looks like a pretty big mall. Check this thing out, like they got a Ferris wheel over here. Guys, we've arrived. We have found Zark's Burger. Check out this menu. It's like, check out some of the names of these burgers. King James Tomahawk, a strikeout, a home run, a tap out, a submission, rock bottom, three-pointer, black mamba, burger from hell, blue cheeseburger, Floyd chicken burger, a shack, a Zark's unlimited burger, a breakfast burger, a stone cold stunner, a jackhammer, a thunder mac and cheese, a Philly cheesesteak burger, candy bacon burger, maverick burger, Luther burger, choke slam, jawbreaker, tombstone. Sounds awesome. I think I'm gonna go with the thunder mac and cheese burger, and Lodi is going with what?
American Classic.
American All-Star Classic burger. Where's that at? It's thunder mac and cheese. It's a burger topped with mac and cheese and 2 strips of bacon. That's what I'm going with. Alright guys, so we just got our appetizer. We ordered a nacho supreme. Nacho galore. There you go. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, the burgers have arrived. They look excellent. Check them out. That's the burger, mac and cheese, macaroni and cheese, bacon, a toasted roll, got some fries with some cheese on it, and Lodi got What is this? The classic?
American flag.
American classic burger. Toasted roll. Toasted roll, bacon, cheese, and the burger. So, time to dig in. Here we go, guys. The ultimate test. Excellent, guys. Excellent. That's a good burger. You can taste the grill in the burger. You can taste how it's, you know, when they cook it on the grill, how it has that grill flavor to it. That's what you can taste. Excellent. Excellent burger. Tuk tuk. You gotta come try them out, buddy. Excellent. Alright guys, let's get a burger review from Luddy. Luddy, how was your burger?
Good.
It's good?
Very good.
Very good.
I like it.
You like the nachos?
This is the best.
That's better than the burger.
No, I meant this is the best nachos.
Oh, best nachos you've had. Okay. Meeting up here at the burger joint. Do some walking around here in the mall to burn off some of this hamburger I just ate. But yeah, excellent, excellent place, excellent burgers. That's all I gotta say. Alright guys, let's go for a walk in the mall. Alright guys, that's a wrap. We got the burger, got a Cinnabon, did some walking around, and got to see a new SM mall. It's a very big mall, very nice mall. But yep, that's a wrap, and that's what's going on today. And that's it. Until next time.